Welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channels and see other videos. We have 2 courses until now. Okay, let's finish our project from the last previous lesson. Okay, we create the final list and sum list. Now we just need to append these 2 lists to a pandas data frame. How to append list to pandas data frame column data frame dot append method. Okay, we go to Stack Overflow 2. We have this column, accept, and want to add this column as a okay. It's a column. We create a def.append. He created a data frame here and just appended the column here. Okay, let's see if everything better is here. Okay, we just copy and lose this code that someone write. Okay, we imported pandas now. D is her first data frame. For us is df. And for every df, we call it df1 for now. pd.dataframe data d. Okay, it's data frame. We didn't need it to make it data frame. Now we have our data frame. It creates another data frame. Okay, let's create it. We name it sum and another column we name it final. And okay, for final we put final list here, and for sum we put sum list here. Data frame is equal to data frame append pd data frame extra. Let's run it. Okay, now let's print df and see what is happening. Sum is none. Why it's creating so many nuns? Oh, it's what it do? It's do something so stupid, I think. Let's create another line and see what it do. Oh, we make anything worse. Okay, let's run our code from the first. Let's okay, let's do it. No, we don't want something like this. Let's run it again. Okay, what is happening? It's appending the list in the end, but we don't want something like this. It's putting them here. They make them none, but we don't want this. Okay, let's go and see what another one is doing. def.append ignore index true. What it do? Let's copy it here. Okay, let's copy it here. pd.dataframe extra ignore columns. Okay, column 1, for column 1 we write sum and final. Okay, run it. We have the noun here. Ignoring the if we write it false, we have just this noun here. Ignore index. Why is this happening? Okay, let's go to another site and see what they do. pandas data frame append. Adding a new column. Okay, this is the link we want. Go to there. Using list. It's our data in our data frame. Okay, that's easy. We are just making everything hard. Let's run the code from the up. I understand something and let's do it. We just copy this line and paste it here. df is df sum is equal to sum list df what equal with final is equal to final list. Run it. Oh, sorry, we don't have this line of code. And then df. The code is running great. Now we just need to save this code to end the lessons. Okay, in the previous lessons we learned how to save the codes, I think, in CSV. Okay, let's go and see if we can. We open it by why it's not here. Okay, we open it by notepad. Just how to save something. No, we can't read notepad very well. Let's open it with another thing. Open with. Let's open it with. No Photoshop, no. Firefox. And see what happens. It's maybe open it well. Okay, it can open it too. Let's open it by Jupyter and don't waste time. Go to Jupyter. Batch 1, project 1. Okay. Well, let's see how we save it. Here we don't save it. Oh, okay. File to CSV. It's how we save it. We go here, file to CSV, ll.csv. File to CSV. For ll we write a score. For file we say df. And now let's go and see our project file. It's working great. And now we have the sum of the students number. Now let's see how many students a score is graded from 80, for example. We have 3, they are a lot. We have 86. Okay, this is the end of these lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe.